What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special video. We have K classes. The much anticipated SDS Models K classes have finally arrived. I just picked up my 3 this morning. Very excited to unbox these with you guys. I haven't even opened them yet, so we're going to unbox them, have them go around the layout, take a closer look, and give you my review. So let's get into the video. Roll the intro. Built from 1922 to 1946, the Victorian Railways K-Class was one of the most popular locomotives on the Victorian Railways. With a 280 wheel configuration, this locomotive tackled the many branch lines of the Victorian state. Its versatility and reliability saw the Ks haul all types of trains from passenger to freight services. The class has had many survive into preservation with tourist trains, mainline running, and plinth locomotives around the state. Our mainline operator SteamRail Victoria has 3 Ks still in active service, and the Mornington Tourist Railway has K163 on heritage services. The class is a favourite among crews and onlookers, and we Victorians get to still enjoy the class to this day. So yeah, I've literally just picked up these models. I haven't unboxed them, I haven't looked at them, but the 3 K classes that I have here are K105, the first series K class, and the preserved variants of the SteamRail Victoria Ks, K183 and K190. So I haven't even unboxed these yet. I haven't even had a look at what they look like out of the box or in person yet. I haven't seen them at the exhibitions to see what they look like yet. I've only seen the photos. The only one that I did see out of the box very briefly was K105 in the store as it was getting tested. I'm super excited. It's been a long time coming, especially for a lot of you viewers as well who have been in the industry a lot longer than I have imagined, have been waiting a very long time for this. I think about 10 years for these models. So good on SDS for getting the job done. And it's great to see these on the shelves in stores now. Well, let's start. I'm gonna pick 1A3 to unbox. Yeah, they're all the same boxes, so we only need to open one of them. So let's open 1A3 and get a closer look. All right, so let's get our first look at the K class. So the lid comes off. Here we have our manual. Beautiful. The exploder diagram. We've got our sound functions. And oh yeah, it's got a keep alive in there. How to remove the tender. These models actually come with a KD front coupler for you to swap out with, and it's also got a screw link coupler as well. That is fantastic. So let's get our first look. Oh, beautiful. So let's go ahead and remove this. Stored nicely in blister packaging. Bit squeaky there. Wow, after so long, they are finally here. So let's put that. All right, let's get the tender out. And this is the tender out. Beautiful. And in this little slit here, I don't know if you guys can see that slit, there we go. There is a little plastic baggie, the screw link coupler with the other KD coupler, which is perfect. So if you want to swap that out, put that on the logo, you can do that. So that was the unboxing of the K class. Let's go to the layout now and get a look at all 3 of the models. These are the different variations of K-Class models available for purchase. The left-hand side shows you your stock levels for the DC and DCC sound models. If you'd like to go on the website and see which variation you'd like to purchase, then you can do that on the website. These are the levels at the time of this recording. Well, here they are. The K-Classes are finally on the layout. So some of the details listed by SDS are that they have genuine KD scale head whisker couplers, separately applied handrail and detailed parts, all-wheel electric pickups, LED headlights and marker lights. All models come standard with the MTC 21-pin motherboard. They have a keep alive circuit as well, exclusive sound by DCC Sound, and they have a minimum radius of 22 inches. And the price for these models are $660 for a DC model and $799 for a DCC sound fitted model. They look fantastic straight out of the box. The colors match the real logos just about as good as you can get. All the separately applied parts around the boiler, the air compressor, and the whistle is just a great standout. It's what I think really makes this model look fantastic in HO scale. So this is one of the first Series K class models, and the many differences that this has to the latest Series K class is that there is no smoke deflectors, a different type of cow catcher, tail rods at the end of the cylinders, a flare tender, different type of coal bunker, and also different styled marker lights. My favorite feature about these models is that they have a working speedometer attached to the coupling rods. That is a fantastic feature, apparently not seen very much in HO scale, and I absolutely love it. It looks awesome going around the layout. So that was our closer look at the model. It's time to get the sound cranking and have them running around the layout. So those are my overall thoughts about the SDS K class. It's just great to see these finally here and in customers' hands. A big thank you to SDS for getting them done. I know a lot of you people have been waiting quite a long time for these models, I think 10 years or something like that. So yeah, I hope you guys are really happy with the product. I hope you guys are enjoying them. Take them out, give them a run. I'm sure you guys definitely will be waiting that long. And yeah, I really, really like these models. I think they're fantastic. I think they're beautifully well made. They look the part. The details are really great. I love the fact that they have the speedo attached to the wheel as well. That's just a thing that you don't really see apparently on HO scale. So the fact that we got that on these, really, really awesome. And the fact that there were so many variants and variations to choose from, I think that was one of the highlights of what made these models and the anticipation of waiting for them to come out even more exciting, because you can match it to your era, and there were so many different options for you to pick and choose from. It was kind of hard to decide what you wanted to get. I'm sure as all of us would love to have more variations of the K, as there was plenty of them. So I'm happy with my 3. I'm really looking forward to getting some running videos out with these, having a play, shooting some other videos with the other locos that I've got. A really, really good time to be in the Australian modeling hobby. But overall, yeah, I would highly recommend going out and getting yourself a K class. I'll be enjoying them, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give us a like, subscribe, and please leave a comment below. All the links to my social media will be in the description as well, so please check them out before you head off. And we will see you guys in the next video. So take care and peace.